Hi, this is Natasha from Forgotten Way Farms, and today I want to show you guys how to make a ginger fizz. So you're going to need some cranberry juice, some ginger ale of your choice, some fresh cranberries, and some ice, and a lime. So you're going to fill half of your cup full of cranberry juice. So now you're going to add half of the ginger ale into it, so it's half and half. So now that your cup is half full of ginger and cranberry juice, you're going to put your fresh cranberries into it. And now you're going to add your ice to the cup, just a few pieces. And now we're going to slice up our lime. It just gives it an extra tang to it. And now you're just going to put a little slice on the side of it, and then you're just going to put it right over the side of the cup. A little festive straw in there, and it just gives it an extra touch of Christmas. It's such an easy drink, and it tastes absolutely amazing. Stay tuned, the next mug of Christmas is a peppermint white hot chocolate. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah.